How to create custom object in Salesforce. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom object on Salesforce. And if you are not familiar with what a custom object is, it is one of these items on this toolbar. As you can see here, there are sales, home, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, calendar, forecast, dashboard, reports, quotes, and we are going to enter a new one just over here in this space, as you can see. So the reason for doing this may be that whatever you see here will not align with the needs of your company or your business or your organization. So we are going to create a custom object. So the first thing, on the right hand side you have a gear cog and it says setup. Now once you tap that, you have a few little options here. We're going to tap on setup and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. This is the setup home page. Right over here at the top you can manage all your objects. You can see that everything over here is what you saw now on the top toolbar, as well as all of the sub headings that are underneath that. So going back to the home page, we're going to scroll down on the toolbar on the left hand side. There is a quick find here. We're going to go all the way down and we're going to look for objects and fields. Now once you've opened this objects and fields, you're going to go to Object Manager and we're going to tap on that. It's going to open up a new window. It's going to look like this. Now this window over here is where you can see, as I showed you previously, all of the objects that are on this account and on this page. On the top right hand side you're going to see a button that says create, and let's go over there and we're going to tap on that. Then we're going to tap on custom object. Now in the next page that you see, this is where you define all the details and all the qualities of your new custom object. It does also say that permissions for this object are disabled for all profiles by default. You can enable these object permissions in permission sets or by editing custom profiles. And if you are unfamiliar about that, you can just go ahead and tap on tell me more and you can learn more about that. So we're going to go ahead, and the first thing to note is on the right hand side it says that the little red line next to the text boxes are required information. So anything that has that, we are going to have to enter that in. So first of all, the label, we are going to go ahead and we're going to go and put in media. Now it also says a plural label and we're going to put in media as well, and starts with vowel sounds. It does not start with vowel sounds, and that is literally the A-E-I-O-U. Then the object name is used when referencing the object via the API. We're going to leave that just like that. Again, you can add a description in over here. Just for example's sake, you can put in whatever it is that you need to, just to describe what it is that this object is about. I'm going to leave it blank for now just because this is it's a sample that I'm creating. Then you have the sensitive help setting. It says open the standard salesforce.com help and training window. I'm going to leave it exactly like that. And then we have the record name and label format. So it says record name, we're going to go media name, that's fine, and the data type we are going to leave it at text. If you're going and tapping on the auto number, it becomes a little bit more complicated and I'm not going to get into that right now. So we're going to leave it at text, and this is a fantastic option just as is. Then the optional features over here, you can see that it's a few options. You can allow reports to be drawn from this object, activities, you can track field history, you can allow chat groups, and you can enable licensing. Now, if you're unfamiliar about any of these things, you can go ahead and you can read more about it. So the enabling of your licensing, it indicates if the object is licensed by Salesforce and whether users require permission set licenses for that. So we're going to leave that just like that for now. We're going to tick these boxes because you want to maybe pull a report, you want to see activity, your field history, and so forth. Going down now, you have the object classification. We are going to leave that exactly the way it is. And if you're unfamiliar about anything, they do offer quite a bit of support. There is a learn more tab over here, and if you go just scroll slightly to the right, there is a what is this, and it'll tell you everything you need to know about that box. The development status, either it is in development, and if it's in development, then it won't be public up on your dashboard up over here. It will not be visible over here. But if you set it to deployed, it will deploy to this dashboard over here. Then going further down, the search status, we can say allow search. So if you are looking for it, you will be able to find it via your search. And then the object creation options, this is only available when custom object is first created. So you can add notes and attachments, related lists to the default page layout, and then also you can launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. I'm going to leave that unchecked for now, and that's perfect. We're going to go now right at the bottom. When you're done saving all your details and you're happy with that, you're going to tap on save. So here you can see now your object manager pushes you back into this page. If you have a look now at your home page again and you refresh this page, you will notice that this custom object is not yet displayed on our toolbar. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it done. So if you refresh this home page, you'll see that it is not yet available or visible over here on your home page on your toolbar. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the setup page, and we're going to click on home again on the left hand side. Right over here in the quick find, you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in tabs. Now once you have clicked on tabs, you're going to hit enter, and we're going to go ahead and choose just the user interface tabs. Now once you are in here, this page will allow you to create a custom object tab. Now once the object has been created, you now need to build the tab for it. So it's the very first option right over here, and it says new. So we're going to go custom option tabs, and we are going to tap on new. Now the first thing you're going to go in and do here is says select an existing custom object or create a new one. So we are going to just go in here and we're going to tap on media. As you can see, this is the one that we created, and we can now go into tab style. We can change our style of the tab. You can make it whatever color you want, whatever sort of little emoji you want. We're going to go ahead randomly and just pick the box, and then we have some additional options. It says choose a home page custom link to show as a splash page for the first time your users click on the tab. So we're going to leave that right now, and then we can also enter a short description, which we are going to leave out as well. When you're done with that, you're going to go bottom right hand side, you're going to tap on the next button, and you're going to see this page. Now over here you can apply one tab visibility to all profiles, which means all of the users that you see over here on this list can actually see this tab or this object, or you can apply a different tab visibility for each profile. So you can just select that, and now you can see over here the marketing user. We can just go ahead and we can tap on that, and we can say turn off or tab hidden. I'm going to leave everything on exactly the way it is, and I'm going to just tap on apply one tab visibility, and then at the bottom right hand side again you're going to tap on the next key. So now in this page you can see here it says choose the custom apps for which the new custom tab will be available for. So we're going to leave this exactly like this. This is much of an advanced step, but as it stands, it is very much fine the way it is. We're going to go ahead now and tap on save, and now once you've tapped on save, it'll push you back over now to this custom tabs page. Now we can go back to our home page over here, and we're going to refresh this page again, and once we've refreshed the page, you will actually now see that the custom object and its tab has actually appeared on this page. So over here on the right hand side you can see there it is. You can now tap on that. It won't have any data, it will be completely empty, but this is how you create a custom object over here on Salesforce. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave us a like. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment down below, and we will see you in the next awesome video. Cheers for now.